Hi, and welcome to an overview of lists in TextSpot. TextSpot does not limit the number of lists that you can create, so you can create as many lists as you want. Lists are essentially groups of contacts, and when you send messages to your list, every single contact on that list is going to receive your messages individually. It does not create a group. That's not something that's possible with software. So creating a list is very easy. You just come up here to create a list and name your list, and you can also add an optional description. After it's created, you'll be able to go into your list just by clicking anywhere in this row, and from here there's a few different things you can do. First of all, you're going to be able to see a history. Right now I just created this list, but this history will also show when you have sent messages to this list, the number of contacts in the list, the number of messages sent to the list, and if there are any associated forms or keywords. Forms or keywords are used as promotions, so you can promote forms, add them to your website, in emails, or create keywords, essentially prompting your audience to join this particular list that you have created so they can self-subscribe to these lists. Otherwise, you can add individual contacts at a time just by searching for them in your system if you've already imported them, or you can import a list of contacts that you already have to this individual list. And you do so just by following these directions. You can download the sample file. These headers just need to match. You don't have to have a first name and last name, although it is recommended for personalization, as long as you have a phone number column that matches like this and it's in this order, they will upload correctly. It is limited to 5,000 at a time. The more contacts you have in your list, the longer it's going to take to import those. Your contacts will be below here once they are added. I'll show you what that looks like in a list with more customers. So you can see here the contacts in this list. And that's pretty much it. The basics of creating a list and managing a list and seeing list history in TextSpot.